You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. If you want to learn more confusing music celebrity names, more confusing names, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. No, it's not pronounced Ciara, it's pronounced Ciara. C, like the sea, air, like the air, and then a. Ciara Princess Wilson. Ciara. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.